it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I am back with another 52 photos. 52 weeks of favorite photos, I think is what it's called. It actually has a much longer name, but that's my abbreviation. Hosted by Miranda Weber over on My Scrappy Life. There's a hop list below of everyone playing along. I'm also combining this with How to Kill a Kit with Style and with Baby Got Scraps. So I'm still working my way through with my kit. This one's going to be my favorite photo. This is a recent photo that was took at Brooke's Christmas concert, but it has all my babies. We was only missing Michael because he was at work. But it had all my babies and I was missing one grandbaby. But these are the moments that you want to just bottle and capture forever, because it doesn't happen very rarely, especially when you have grown kids, to have them all together at once. So that's my photo. In the end, this is the circle that was cut out of a video y'all saw a few days ago where I just used the ring of the outside of it. So this is the leftovers, and this one's from my kit. And then I have a bunch of printables that I printed out and fussy cut. The focus of How to Kill a Kit with Style this month is alphabets. And the quarterly focus is oldest products. So I'm not really using older products. Other than my 49er market, I've had it for a couple years. But I'm getting it used up. But I am using up alphabets that I got. And they have a texture finish. I'm also using up lots of the stickers that came with the kit. Here's the stickers. There was also some 3D stickers that came with it, like this. And I'm using those up. And it's been interesting trying to use butterflies up in the winter. But I have been able to think outside the box a little bit and do lots of different things. So with the stickers, they are see-through stickers. They're clear stickers. So I did stick them on some scrap cardstock and then just fussy cut them out to use them. And this one's going to be a very straightforward, simple layout. But let's just put it together. So, and I also did already mat with another piece of scrap paper from my kit on my photo. I managed to get something on my paper, and I think it's ink or something. So that's okay. I'll just cover it up and you'll never know it. This one's going to be an easy layout. I feel like I've been not really overcomplicating it, but doing a lot more than what I normally do for a layout. But I have enjoyed all my layouts that I've made, so that's what matters, right? If it makes you happy. It is your album and your page and your story, so you should like it. Alright, so I'm going to put my picture down. And this is just going to be a basic layout. So, like, it's nothing fantabulous or that y'all haven't saw before. Like I said, I was trying to think of ways to use up butterflies. And I wanted to be able to use up all of these little jars, because I really didn't know what else I would do with them. But I decided I would put it with a family photo. And the title is going to say Cherished Moments. But then it is a cherished moment. Like I said, one of those moments you want to just gather up and bottle up and keep it forever. So I thought that it worked in well. So if you think I'm crazy, well, I am. But that was my logic and reasoning behind the way I did it. Alright, so pretty much I'm going to build up some clusters. That's my goal. So I'm going to build one here and one up here. And then I think I'm going to have my title to go around in a circle. And then put all my little jar clusters down here. So let's just go ahead and glue this down. And I'm not going to glue every single edge. That way if I want to tuck something, I can. Some of these I may actually pop up on foam also. Let's see. Should I put it up top? I kind of want to tuck this one. Also, you guys ask, and I have gold. I'm filming back to back, so if you saw the last video, it'll still be on there. They're all being done on the same day. But I totally just lost my train of thought. Okay, maybe it'll come back in a minute. I got sidetracked by the shiny on my hand. Oh, I know what I was going to say. Several of you guys have asked me about my printing photos on my printer, on my new printer, like how does it print. And I have printed so much stuff, like for reals. And this is a photo that's printed on it. So I think it prints really good. So that's my opinion. But I think it's great. I love it. And for those of you guys who are like, what is she talking about? I got a new printer and it is a Epson ET2803. Because I get that question a lot too. And I bought it at Walmart and it was less than 200 bucks. So it was well worth it. I have been printing for, I want to say 5 or 6 months now maybe, and I'm a little less than half on my ink. And I have literally printed like 3 packs of the Walmart cardstock that has, I don't know, 150 sheets or something each in it. Plus I've printed I don't know how many photos, just plain printer paper, like hundreds of papers. So it has been well worth it and I love it. Okay, so I am going to, as you can see, I laid these out. So let's see. I'll start putting them on right there. And I'm going to have to glue it because now that I've stuck them on the plastic, they're not coming off very good. This is not the plastic they came on. Let's add our other little embellishments here. So actually, I'm going to move it down. And then I have all of these little things I wanted to use up just so I could say I have them all used up. So there's no worries. I used them all up with the kit. And then I have these other little flowers I'm just going to add in here to finish up my cluster. Let's see. I think I'll put it there. Maybe pop these little small ones on some foam. Okay, and then I have my 3 little butterflies. So I think I'll just put them up here. And I can write the date in. And I may add a little bit of bling to the centers. I'll look and see what I have. I want to really use up the rest of these stickers. I could stick these hearts on there, I guess. Like I said, just to be using them up. I'll have 3 hearts. I could put them up the side right here. Okay, let's do that. Stick that one under my flower. Alright, I like it. And then like I said, I'll just write my date in and call it good. So, check out the playlist below for everyone else that is playing along. And thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. And until next time, bye y'all.